Here's how to switch from Deluxe to Free on TurboTax. There's two different types of Deluxe. You can see which one you're on in the price preview in the upper right. So that's going to show us our Deluxe version, or you might even be on Premium, but it's going to show that you owe some dollars for this product, and I'm on the Do-It-Yourself Deluxe. So if you're on that Do-It-Yourself Deluxe, then you're going to see in the lower left underneath this Switch Products button a downgrade button. You're going to see upgrade, downgrade, and clear and start over. So the downgrade button is going to take you to downgrading to the TurboTax Free Edition. Now, if your downgrade button takes you to downgrade to basic, then that's the assisted products. So that's the expert assist products. I'll show you how to get back to free. But for those of you that see this TurboTax Free Edition, it's basically for simple tax returns only. 37% of people or so, actually qualify who file. However, you can always downgrade to free and then kind of move along through your taxes until you have to upgrade to something. So you would scroll down a little bit and click this downgrade to free button, and that'll start you over on the TurboTax Free Edition. So you can see now if I go to my price preview, it's going to say I'm on the Do-It-Yourself Free Edition for $0. Now, if you are on the Expert Assist mode, so I'll just go ahead and upgrade to it so that you can see how to get back. So there you have the Do-It-Yourself section, and that's what we were on, that Deluxe. Now you might be on this one, which is Expert Assist, and you might be on Deluxe on this product. And so you're actually going to see like a little chat window in the lower right, if you can see it behind my camera there. And then in the price preview, it's going to say something a little bit different for you guys. It's going to say the Expert Assist Deluxe. And of course, you probably already found out that the downgrade button in the lower left actually just says to Expert Assist Basic, which is still a fee, and so it's not free. You don't have the option to downgrade to free because you have to clear and start over if you're on this mode. Now you can go over here to the tax tools if you've already filled out a lot of stuff and go to the print center. And you can preview return, I think print it, I think maybe save a PDF, one of those three options for sure. And you'll be able to look through at some of your answers so that you can copy them into maybe filling out your return again, because you're going to have to start over. So get that before you actually start over, but go to clear and start over. You're going to be able to start fresh, but you're not going to be able to just go to the free edition. I'll show you how you have to answer these questions to go to the free edition. So you do want to clear your tax data, and you say, yes, I want to clear my tax data. So that's going to clear everything and start you over fresh. Continue on to proceed. It's going to take you back to the very first screen where that lady's, kind of waving at us. And we say, got it. Now, next, TurboTax is recommending us products now, and that's what these questions are for. So we just don't want to check mark any of them because we don't want to tell TurboTax something that they want to recommend Deluxe for us. We want them to recommend free. And also on this page, we want to say we can do our own taxes. That's that do-it-yourself product. So I'm comfortable doing my own taxes. Hit continue. You can always upgrade, get help later on. TurboTax still guides you through the process. So now you can see we can start for $0. We can start on that TurboTax Free Edition. It's the simple Form 1040 return. So we start on that, and as we go along and answer our questions, if we encounter something that you have to upgrade for, you can just pick the cheapest option. So I filed my own taxes last year. You go ahead and fill this out with whatever applies to you. I'll click this one and hit continue. And then you're going to go to your dashboard. You're going to be able to start your taxes again, or maybe start your taxes for the first time if you hadn't filled anything out yet and you were just happened to be on that deluxe mode or deluxe edition. So in the upper right, we're going to see price preview, and we're going to see that we're now on the TurboTax Do-It-Yourself Free Edition. And that is how you can switch from deluxe back to free, or switch from deluxe to free on TurboTax.